It is very unfortunate and sad circumstance that I report that about 9:30 this morning, Corporal Horace McDermott of the Westmoreland Division was found in his house with a gunshot wound to his head and his firearm close to his body. On the face of it, it appears to be a suicide. However, the investigation is ongoing and we await the outcome of the investigation. I just want to appeal to other members of the JCF out there that if you need help, there are mechanisms within the force to address these things, such as the chaplaincy services and the medical services branch. The members of the Westmoreland Division are in a very somber mood, especially those who were very close to Mr. McDermott. And I just want to take this opportunity to offer my condolences on behalf of the Westmoreland Division to the family and relatives of Mr. McDermott, as also to the JCF, the Westmoreland Police and the wider JCF.